Ngizokhuluma lana ngoJose Rivero. Ngiyamazi nonke bafethu uJose Rivero is one of the best coaches sebayicoach Orlando Pirates in the last 10 years. Yabo uJose Rivero wafika ku-Orlando Pirates ngo-2022. Yabo i-contract yakhe is expected to expire ngoJune 30. Yabo so i-Orlando Pirates have been working behind the scenes. Orlando Pirates bisebenza behind the scenes. Iyasebenza impela benoJose Rivero. Yabo there have been rumors circulating ukuthi uJose Rivero uyakhumbula le ekhaya. If you remember the game that we played against Stellenbosch, Jose Rivero ngosikhathi eyiwina leya cup leya. If you saw, Jose Rivero was crying, yabo. He was crying, and when the interviewers asked him why ekhala, wakhomenta wathi uthando alinikeza Orlando Pirates luningi kakhulu, yabo. Uthando alinikeza Orlando Pirates luningi kakhulu, and abantu abashiye la izinto ayisacrificeile for le team iningi kakhulu. Ukhumbula le, yabo, ekhaya. Yabo, and most abantu babethu uJose Rivero ngenzeka ahambe mekuphela le season because i-contract yakhe iyaphela and ingenzeka inga-renew. Yabo, most people were saying if uJose Rivero ehluleka ukuyiwina i-league uzohamba, if uJose Rivero ehluleka mhlawumbe ukuwina i-Champions League ngenzeka ahambe, but that's not true. Yabo, that's not true. Recent sources have told me ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates iyasebenza ngemuva ifuna ukwenza i-contract entsha. Yabo, bafuna ukunikeza uJose Rivero i-contract entsha, abafuna ahlale eteamini. Bafuna ahlale eteamini because lo coach lo useyisize kakhulu Orlando Pirates, useyitakule emzimeni obuningi. Abantu abaningi ebebukela phansi Orlando Pirates bebithatha kancane. Right now idlala kwi-Champions League. Right now ibuyile kwi-Champions League. Ngiyazi vele iyayidlala kwi-Champions League. Yona team yokuqala la e-South Africa uthi win star. But right now uJose Rivero useyibuyisile dignity kwi-club ye-Orlando Pirates. Yabo, since efikile nje 2022 until now usewina ama-cups ayi-5. Yabo, lawo ma-cups ayi-5 la akawinanga ama-clubs amancane. Ushiya one of the best clubs la kwi-PSL. Yabo, so right now Orlando Pirates ifuna ukunikeza i-contract entsha. Yabo, nje izomnikeza i-contract entsha nje kuzosho kukhulu lokho. Yabo, kubadlali nakuyona i-management ye-team, nakuyena nakuyona i-technical team yakhe. Yabo, kuzomele basebenze ngempela abafana. Yabo, because ukurenew i-contract kanje kuyakhombisa ukuthi i-board iyambheka uJose Rivero. So uJose Rivero kumele enze sure ukuthi uyawaphakamisa amasokisi asinikeze ama-cups angempela. Yabo, ngikhuluma ngo-Champions League, ngikhuluma ngo-league, yabo, into eyikanjalo. So ngiyangijabulisa kakhulu lokho ukubona ukuthi Orlando Pirates izozama ukurenewa i-contract yaJose Rivero. Yabo, ungangitshela ama-comments ngabe kumele yini si-renew i-contract yakhe uJose Rivero noma kumele simyekele abuyelele e-Europe, yabo, ayocoacha khona because ukhumbula umndeni wakhe. Mina ngokwami I think it's best ukuthi Orlando Pirates izame ukulanda umndeni wakhe uzoletha la eSouth Africa. Mekuthi banenkinga phela because laba besho babethi yena uJose Rivero uyaya nje eSpain ayobona umndeni wakhe. Cha, phela eSpain uJose Rivero usuke eyosebenza, usuke engayi kuya kuma-holiday because laphana bahlala 1 week or 2 weeks. They don't spend inyanga, yabo, they spend isikhashana esincane to prepare for pre-season games. Yabo, babonise bapha abadlali abafitha, abadlali abasathanda kufika, ba-assess labo badlali labo. Yabo, so basuke besebenza, basuke bengayile ukuvakashela imindeni yabo. Yabo, so I feel like it's best ukuthi umndeni waJose Rivero uze la eSouth Africa ngempela. Yabo, ngezwe ngama-comments wena usizwa kanjani ngalolu daba lokuthi Orlando Pirates ingenzeka i-renew i-contract kaJose Rivero. Yabo, it's a good thing bafethu. Ungangitshela ngama-comments, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe lapho ufuna ukubona more videos kaVane Sports. Shaya u-like, shaya u-subscribe. Yabo, ngiyabonga bafethu support.